I am so incredibly happy for you. You just clicked on the last video you will ever need to watch on approaching girls. So for that, congratulations. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Brett Maverick here. I hope you all are having an awesome day so far. So I have spent the last 25 years of my life spending countless hours approaching hundreds, if not thousands of women, and I have finally formulated the perfect blueprint, the perfect plan on what to do when a girl is looking at you. So if that sounds good to you, watch this whole thing through and you will never have to question it ever again. So let's get right into it. And if you like what you see here, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and turn those post notifications on, and maybe even, follow me on Instagram at BrettMVRK. I put a lot of really cool stuff on there you won't find anywhere else. Now, let's start off with what not to do. So, you don't want to wink. This isn't the movies, okay? This isn't Hollywood. That's just gonna make you look like a creep and like you don't know what you're doing with girls at all. Don't wave, because that's really dorky and it's just gonna make you look not cool, okay? And last but not least, for the love of God, do not panic and dart your eyes away looking at something else, because that's the best way to look insecure and like you've never had a man-to-woman interaction in your life, okay? So, here is exactly what you do. First thing is you remain calm and you keep the eye contact. You want to even maybe relax a little bit and soften your body posture, soften your facial expression, but maintain that eye contact just for a couple more seconds. After all, you do want to make sure that she is actually looking at you. So just remaining looking at her for a couple more seconds, this will show you if she is actually looking at you. And if she does keep that eye contact, that's a really good IOI. That's what the pickup artists call a indication of interest. So if she's still looking at you after a couple seconds, then she's definitely interested, bro. Next, you want to just give her a little smile. You give her a little smile, probably not too much teeth. You do this just to reciprocate the interest. Let her know, yeah, girl, I'm feeling you too. Because you have to put yourself in her shoes. What would you want a girl to do if she caught you looking at her? Best case scenario is she keeps looking at you, relaxes, and then smiles. What more could you want? That's pretty good confirmation that she's feeling you too. All right, next is a problem I see so many guys making, and it's probably one of the most important parts of the formula. For the love of God, do not hesitate. So many guys wait around, they try to think of the perfect thing to say, they overthink it, and they decide, oh, she's probably not into me. She probably is gonna reject me. She probably has a boyfriend. Don't give yourself the time to think of those negative outcomes. Go for the approach. Once you give her that smile and she's still looking at you and giving you, her attention. So it's time to go up there and give her your opener. Open up the conversation. So I used to say lines like, did you order the male stripper? Because I'm here. Or, I almost wore the same exact outfit. Gee, that would have been awkward. And those are pretty good and they work pretty well. I've had pretty good success with those. But if you don't know what to say and you're racking your brain, a good one to fall back on is just, hey, I don't think we've met yet. I'm Brett, or whatever your name is. But, the most important part about the opener, write this down, is it's not what you say, but how you say it. You can say pretty much anything in the world as long as you say it with conviction, nice confidence, and you say it as if you're supposed to be here saying that. You are comfortable with a man-to-woman interaction. You guys are on the same level. You're not shy and scared and putting her up on a pedestal hoping that she'll give you her time of day, right? You guys are both right here. This is normal, and that's how you gotta represent yourself when you're giving your opener. Now, the next tip is most important for when you're not really sure if the girl is that interested in you. Maybe she didn't maintain eye contact with you that long or didn't smile back right away, is you wanna give a time frame. Say, hey, I gotta run in a couple seconds, but I don't think we've met yet. You look really cool. And that just makes her feel comfortable knowing that you're not gonna be lingering around for a long time. She's not gonna be trapped in this conversation with you for the next foreseeable future. Who knows how long. She can know, okay, he's gonna leave soon in case he's a weirdo. Hopefully he's cool, but if not, then it's okay. He's gonna get along after a little bit. So then you guys banter a little bit, have a little bit of back and forth. Hopefully she's giving you good IOIs, and then just say, hey, I gotta run, but I'd love to talk to you later. What's your number? And as you're saying that, you're pulling out your phone, opening up the contacts and giving it to her as you're saying it. And you don't ask her, can I have your number? You just say, what's your number? I guess you could even say, put your number in here. And you say it as if I'm supposed to be here doing this right now. This is totally normal. And 9 times out of 10, she'll just go along with it because you're so convincing with your body language and your confidence that she's gonna buy into your framing and accept it. So 9 times out of 10, she's gonna put her number in your phone and you'll hit her up later. But, if that doesn't happen, you need to be okay with rejection. If you don't take anything else away from this video, take this away. Rejection is okay. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. I've been rejected a bunch of times. My super handsome, super successful friends have been rejected. It doesn't matter how handsome you are. It doesn't matter how rich you are. Everybody is gonna get rejected. I always say you could be the sweetest strawberry, but not everybody likes strawberries. So just take the rejection like a man, say, all right, have a nice day, you know, brush the dirt off your shoulders and move on to the next one because it's a numbers game. You're gonna eventually have success. So guys, I hope that's pretty much everything. I don't know what else other outcome could have happened. What did I miss? Anything? That's right, nothing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, subscribe, turn those post notifications on, go out there and conquer the world. And until next time, peace.